In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list items on Steam Market. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each option means, and how to price your item confidently so it sells without surprises. Start by opening the Steam app or heading to the Steam website in your browser and logging into your account. At the top, hover over your profile name to reveal the menu, and click Inventory. Keep in mind, only items marked as marketable can be sold if you don't see a sell button later. That usually means the item isn't eligible. Inside your inventory, click the item you want to sell. This opens its detail panel with a clear view of the item and relevant actions. Look for the Sell button and click it to start your listing. Steam will bring up the selling interface, which includes a pricing section and a small market activity graph. Use that graph to guide your price. It shows recent sale prices and volume, helping you decide whether to match the current lowest listing for a faster sale or aim a bit higher if the market is trending up. Two amounts will be shown: buyer pays and you receive. Buyer pays is the total a buyer will be charged, including all Steam and publisher fees. You receive is your net amount after those fees are taken out. Focus on you receive if you have a target in mind for your wallet balance, or on buyer pays if you want to meet or beat the going rate. Small price differences matter here, so take a moment to double-check decimals and make sure the final numbers match your intent. When you are comfortable with the price, click OK. Put it up for sale. You'll be prompted to agree to Steam's terms. Read them if you are unfamiliar, then confirm. For security, Steam requires a quick verification. The fastest way is the Steam Mobile Authenticator. Open the app on your phone and approve the listing notification to confirm instantly. If you are not using the mobile app, Steam will send an email to the address on your account. Open it and confirm the listing from there. If you don't see it, check your spam or wait a moment and refresh. Once confirmed, your item is live on the Steam Market. It becomes visible to buyers, and when it sells, the proceeds minus fees go straight to your Steam wallet. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.